Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 126 Rounds Avenue, located in Riverside, Rhode Island. This is a 2-floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, completely renovated, updated unit. It's part of a duplex here, connected with 128 Rounds Avenue. And we're going to begin our walkthrough of this beautifully renovated unit right in the living area. So, we're here on the upper level. This is where your living room and your dining room / kitchen area will be. Of course, you'll notice right away upon entering your beautiful new vinyl wood flooring throughout the unit. This excludes the bathroom. The bathroom actually houses a brand new tile flooring. But on top of that, a beautiful new paint job throughout the unit as well, new light fixtures and much more. But back to the living area itself, you house plenty of room for all kinds of furniture setups in this living area. It's really wide open, really spacious, plenty of outlets for any kind of electronics you like to hook in here. I think it's a perfect space for any size sectional. Wide open windows, as you can see, lots of sunshine coming in, some really good street views. And it does hook around over here, which is the stairwell, housing your main foyer that goes down obviously to the lower level and houses your main entryway to the unit. And on top of that, it also houses this little closet right here. This actually houses your washer and dryer hookups. So washer and dryer hookups are available in this unit, in this little laundry closet right here. Excellent. Next, let's go ahead and flip around. Opposite from the living area, you have your dining space / kitchen area. In this dining space, you have plenty of room for any size dining set. You have an additional closet for some extra storage. Obviously, it connects to the kitchen over there. And again, any size dining set I think will work just fine. On top of that, you have a plug-in AC unit included in here. And it houses this glass sliding door that then leads to your private balcony. We'll go ahead and check that out real quick. And just a little bit of additional space, perfect for a couple lawn chairs, what have you. And it oversees the shared backyard. Awesome. So again, pretty good sized dining room as well. Awesome. Next, let's go ahead and flip around and check out the kitchen. So, again, of course, just like the rest of the unit, the kitchen is beautifully renovated. This includes brand new countertops, brand new tile backsplash, brand new cabinets, brand new light fixtures, and brand new appliances. The appliances are all stainless steel. This includes the single bin stainless steel sink and the stainless steel dishwasher, along with the brand new medium-sized stainless steel refrigerator, brand new 5-burner stainless steel stove and oven, and brand new stainless steel exhaust fan. So completely renovated, cleaned up kitchen, looks beautiful. All right, that's it for the top level. Let's go to the lower level, which again does house your 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So we'll start with the bedrooms first, and we'll start with the bedroom on the left side, right around the corner over here. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, I believe. Not by much, but it is a little bit smaller, but should still be able to house a queen bed set, no problem. You have some wide open windows, again, lots of sunshine that can come into this unit, fresh paint, new floors, and you have a pretty good sized closet space as well for plenty of bedroom storage. I also see this bedroom, if you're a couple or a single person, I think this bedroom could perfectly double as an office space. You have plenty of outlets for, obviously your computer desk, whatever you need, or this could easily double as a children's bedroom as well. From there, we'll check out the bigger of the 2 bedrooms. This is the bedroom on the right side. So, this bedroom, I think, again, easily a queen bed set, but I think you could also fit a king in here. Lots of outlets, brand new floors, fresh paint. This one actually has a plug-in AC just like the dining room, and just like the dining room, you also have a glass sliding door, so a nice private entryway to this bedroom. Again, kind of goes out into the shared backyard. But again, pretty good size in here for up to a king bed set. Awesome. And we'll go ahead and take a view from over here, just so you can see where the closet space is. Awesome. Last but not least, let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. So, bathroom is right next to this bedroom. Again, like I said before, this does house a brand new tile flooring. This is a completely renovated bathroom. This includes a brand new sink vanity off to your right side, brand new mirror vanity up above, toilet, and you have your full tub and shower, hooked up and ready to go. Awesome. So once again, this is 126 Rounds Avenue, located in Riverside, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our website. And of course, any news related to real estate or property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.